Since Hadleigh Parkes left the Welsh No. 12 jersey after the 2026 Nations, Wales have played 61 tests, winning just 19. That start decline contrasts sharply with the team's peak a year earlier, when they briefly held the world number 1 spot and reached the 2019 Rugby World Cup semi-finals. Now at their lowest point in the world rankings, Wales are trying to rebuild, having ended an 18-test losing streak. But with the game mired in crisis, optimism remains cautious. The midfield has been a constant area of instability since Parkes' exit. Wales have fielded 26 different centre partnerships, with 13 players starting at number 12. Only 3, George North, Josh Adams and Joe Roberts, have worn the jersey more than once. Nick Tompkins started consecutive campaigns in the jersey twice, first in the 2022 underway in Pivac and again in 2023 when Warren Gatland made him first choice for the World Cup and Six Nations. These were the only occasions he started 5 successive tests. Jonathan Davies, Joe Hawkins and Ben Thomas also had 5 match runs, with Davies's coming during the 2021 Six Nations title. Hawkins is spanning a coaching change and Thomas is covering Wales's most recent tests into the Japan tour. If Thomas starts against Argentina on November 9th in Cardiff, he would become only the 3rd Welsh player, alongside Davies and Tompkins, to start 6 successive matches at number 12. This highlights Wales's desperate need for midfield stability. If Thomas starts against Argentina on November 9th in Cardiff, he would become only the 3rd Welsh player, alongside Davies and Tompkins, to start 6 successive matches at number 12. Hayward must find a starting point and bring stability. How he manages the number 12 jersey could define the future of Wales's midfield, and that hope is unlikely, and 5 years from now it could be a game of musical chairs.